Good morning, student. You all are welcome in mathematics class. We have been doing what comes just after. Today we will do a new topic, what comes just before. Do you know beta what is the meaning of before? Before means पहले. Okay? Before means पहले. पहले जो पहले आता है. After means बाद में. ओके आज हम करेंगे जो पहले आता है. Like first of all you will write counting 1 to 10 in your notebook. From there you can help because it is the first time you are doing what comes before. You can face some problem better. From the counting you can take help for some time. After that you can leave that better. Now you can understand this with the help of examples. I am going to introduce you. Now look at the notebook. Yes beta, this is notebook. In the notebook your mama will write counting 1 to 10 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today what we are doing before. What it means? Before means pehle, not after. We have done after. We have to do today before, pehle. Now see here, 9. What comes before 9? See here, where is the 9? 9 is here. What is before 9? Just before 9. 8, not after, before. Okay? What is before 9? 8. You will write 8 here. Now see 1. Okay, beta? What comes before 1? It comes 0, beta. We have to start from 0. Before 1, it comes 0. Our counting start from 0. What comes before 1? 0. What comes before 1? 0. Now see the 6. Where is the 6? 6 is here. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 6? 5. Write here 5 in beautiful handwriting. Better don't think that you will write 1 to 10 counting again and again. No, it is only for 2 days. आप 2 दिन इसकी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी मिसिंग. ये लाइन हटा दी जाएगी. यू हैव टू डू योर सेल्फ. ओके, टुडे आई एम जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग यू. दैट्स वाई आई हैव रिटन दिस. अगेन, वेयर इज द 8? 8 is here. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 8? 7. Now see, what is this? 10. What is this? 10. Where is 10? 10 is here. What comes before 10? 9. Write 9 here. Now see, what is this? 3. Here is 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 3? 2. Write here 2. Okay. Now it is the line of 1, 1, 11. Yes, but you will write 1. Okay. What comes 1? What comes before 1? You can take help from here. 0. Okay. Now see, you will write 1. Now tell me what comes before 6. See 6. What comes before 6? 5. Now you write 1. What comes before 9? See, 9 is here and 8, this is 8. 1, 8, 18. Okay, you have to see the last letter बेटा. आपने last letter देखना है. Okay. Now see, 20, 20. Where 20, 20 come? It is difficult for you beta. You have to write 1, okay, and before 0, 0 से भी पहले क्या आता है? 9. What comes before 0? 9. 0 से भी पहले क्या आता है? 9. Okay. 9. 1, 9, 9, 10. 1, 3, 13. 1. What comes before 3? 3 is here. 2. What comes before 3? 2. Write 2 here. 1 is here. 1. Now what comes before 5? See 5. 4. What comes before 5? 4. Write 4 here. 1, 4, 14. Now I think it is very easy for you beta. It may be different beta. It may be hard for you, but with the help of with the practice you can learn it beta. 9, 8, 9, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 10, 11, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. You will write in your notebook and send me the pic beta. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.